As nursing home neglect lawyers, we're often confronted with situations where our clients have pressure ulcers, or what's commonly referred to as bed sores. Pressure ulcers are caused by exactly what they say, and that is pressure on the skin or the underlying tissues. And when that goes on for a period of time, the pressure on the skin and the underlying tissues deprives that area from blood flow, and therefore vital nutrients and hydration can't be delivered to that area of the body, and in extreme circumstances those areas begin to deteriorate and die and often lead to pressure ulcers. Pressure ulcers are staged. The standard of care requires that a nursing home, when a resident has a pressure ulcer, to stage that pressure ulcer. Stage 1 are just basically a red area on the skin as a result of pressure. It's not open. A stage 2 is a partial thickness deterioration in the skin, the dermis layer, and oftentimes has a fluid or a blister-like associated with a stage 2. Stage 3 is a full thickness deterioration. That means that there is an open wound that is basically penetrated through the skin as well as the epidermis layer and some of the associated tissue underlying the skin. And fourth is a stage 4 pressure ulcer that involves the full thickness that a stage 3 does, and in addition it's gone deep enough to where the bones, ligaments, or muscles are exposed. And that is a very painful condition when the bone is exposed. Stage 3 and stage 4 are obviously the most severe of the pressure ulcers and can sometimes be associated with infection. If you believe your loved one has suffered from pressure ulcers in the nursing home, I strongly encourage you to seek a legal opinion. Sometimes those are preventable with good care in the nursing home, and sometimes they're not, and that often depends upon the underlying medical conditions of the resident. We've created various resources for you. You can access those resources on our site. There are 2 books. One is How to Select a Nursing Home for a Loved One, and the second book is 7 Steps to Keep Your Loved One Safe in a Nursing Home and What to Do if They're Injured. There's also a myriad of other resources that are available to you, so click on the link to get to that information.